how to use Microsoft Forms for approval. So first, what you want to do is just go to the Microsoft Forms page right here. Then just simply click on New Form, and it will bring you right here where you could simply add a title. So let's say I'm gonna name this Leave Request Approval. And as you can see, there's this like lightning icon, which is the question suggestion, or maybe a holiday leave approval. Then click on the quick question suggestion right here. Then it will pop up. So you could simply pick the recommended ones. You could also browse the templates right here if you want to have it set it out all for you. So let's say you could use this cool trip parental consent form, this holiday party invitation. So you could still edit it. If you use a template, you could still edit it out. So it's just basically something to help you have an overall design and setup on your form. But for me or for you guys, you could just simply create a new form and use the quick suggestions right here. So let's say you want the full name, the permanent address, phone number, email. Then after that, you simply need to click on add selected. And if you click on here, it will show if you need that particular answer to be required. So let's say you want the full name is required, just simply click on that so that they won't leave it blank. So same also with the other ones right here. The permanent address, click on it and click on required. So phone number you could set it to optional, but the email you could also set it to optional. But let's say I want the phone number to be required. Now you could also add more questions. So let's say I'm gonna insert more questions right here at the bottom, and I'm gonna input the date. So let's say when will, or let's say what are the dates that you want to have the leave. Then just simply input it right here. So let's say maybe start date, and add another one. So date again and end date right here. And basically once you're done, you can check out the preview on what it will look like. So if I click on preview, this is what it will look like. And click on mobile. So this is what it will look like on the mobile devices if they access this form. It also adds some styles to it. So you could change to the header, layouts. You could also add some backgrounds if you want. And here are the settings, so anyone can respond. So you could set the settings right here on the right side. So you could have the shuffle questions, customize thank you message, or something like that. But once you're done, you just simply need to click on collect responses right here. And now you could just simply set it to anyone can respond or only people on your particular organization or company. You could also add the people right here with their names. So just simply click on send if you want to send them an invitation from Outlook or Teams. You could also share the QR code and you could also embed it right here, or you could just simply copy the link, and you could also shorten the URL so that won't take a lot of space on your search bar, or if you want to put it on a file, it won't have that long URL. So just simply click on shorten URL, copy a link, and send it to someone. And once that's done, go back to your forms right here, click on view responses, and here you will see all of the respondents and how many responded on your form, the average time it took to answer it, and the duration on how long you opened your form for. But that is basically it.